Advanced Excel users often like to have their own tab for accessing their more frequently used commands. Not to mention the respect they would gain from their colleagues when they see a customized tab. So if you want to speed up your work and impress your colleagues at the same time, start by right-clicking on the ribbon and selecting Customize the ribbon. After clicking on New Tab, select Rename and enter your desired name. It's common to enter your name here. By using the arrows on the right-hand side, place your new tab in your preferred place. You should also add a new group and change its name. If we select an icon for the group, it will only be shown when Excel is open in a small window. After selecting a custom group, move the selected commands into it by clicking on the Add button and delete them by selecting Remove. Commands are divided into groups. The default group is Popular Commands. After clicking on that group, you can select another group from the drop-down menu. Adding macros to custom groups is done in exactly the same way. You can learn about macros in the Visual Basic for Applications VBA course. After adding a macro, you can change its icon and description. So this is our new card. Commands can only be added to custom groups, so it's not possible to add them to standard groups or directly to the tab. If you try this, you'll see this message. But we can remove the standard groups. We can also add a new group to a standard Excel tab, for example the Data tab, and put your preferred commands there. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can clean up any mess you've made during these exercises by choosing Reset All Customizations and starting again. It was precisely calculated that adding this page to favorites in your browser increases the chance that you become an Excel expert by 53%, so you better do it now.